Hey guys, my name is Patrick Hogan and in this video I'm going to share with you 3 tips on how to cure your brain fog, so stay tuned. If you are new to this channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can take your life to the next level. How come that some days in our lives are amazing? We feel energized and we have lots of confidence, while other days we feel very lazy and like we have enough of everything and all we want is to quit. In these days we can't focus right. Our brain is foggy and blurry and we can't even remember important things in our lives. It's called brain fog and I want to share with you guys why does this happen and how you can cure it. If you are working on yourself or you have some kind of meeting or a date or you have lots of things to do that day, you can't afford to be in this state of brain fog. First tip, learn to meditate. We live in a digital environment where our focus goes to multiple things at the same time. We are distracted by different websites, advertisements, or social media. And if you spend lots of time on the internet around different screens, your attention is going to be scattered all over the place. On top of that, if you spend long enough time doing this, you get used to it. Your attention will be scattered and you won't be able to focus on one thing at a time. How can you get things done when you're always distracted by everything around you? It's not possible and you need to learn to calm down and focus. Meditation is a great way to do both. In addition, it helps you to cure the brain fog, and the more you practice it, the more natural it becomes for you. There is a ton of information on meditation on the internet, from different kind of meditation up to how to meditate properly. I'm not going into details right now. Sit down for 10 minutes, close your eyes, or you don't have to, and just focus on your breathing. It's very simple to do. However, if you've never tried before, it can be pretty challenging, especially when you are used to be distracted all the time. Be patient and practice it every single day. Give yourself a 30-day challenge where you will meditate 10 minutes every day for 30 days straight. And every time you do it, reward yourself so you can stay on the track. After you develop this muscle of being able to do nothing for 10 minutes, you will be able to focus on one thing at a time, your conversations will be better, and you will remember much more information as well. Second tip, stop procrastinating. One of the best ways to clear up the brain fog and become more focused is to prevent being scattered in the first place. What do I mean by that? So let's say you have a task you need to complete in 5 weeks. And there are days when you have the time to do it, but you say to yourself, I'll have 4 more weeks, I'll do it later. You are doing some other things and then you have the time to do it again. But you say to yourself, I have 3 more weeks, I don't need to do it now. And not only you start procrastinating, but also there is one more dangerous thing happening. You are not forgetting about your deadline. You are just giving it to your subconscious mind to worry about. And the more things your subconscious mind has to worry about, the more scattered you become. Even though you are not thinking about it actively, your subconscious does. How can you focus on what's in front of you if there are dozens of things going at the back of your mind? The best thing you can do is to actually get it done so you don't have to worry about it anymore and you can focus on other important things. Don't wait and don't procrastinate. Just do it and life will become much easier for you because you get rid of all the heaviness in your subconscious mind. Third tip, clear up your mind. The next thing you can do is to write all your thoughts on the paper so you don't need to think about it all the time. When you have one thing to remember, it's not that hard to remember. But when you have 5 things you need to get done that day, it's better to write them down. First of all, you will not forget anything since you wrote it down. And secondly, you don't need to think about it anymore and you can focus on more important things. It's a powerful way to get rid of needless thoughts and clear up your mind. It also helps you with the brain fog and you will be able to think more clearly. So in order to cure your brain fog, learn to meditate, stop procrastinating, and write down your tasks so you can clear up your mind. I want to thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys do want to check out more videos like this, I will put links in the description below, so go ahead and check them out. If you guys enjoyed this video, like it, comment below, share with your friends, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on the future content. Thanks for watching.